Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to work with a pie chart here that we define the edges, color, the edges width, and also we can have these numbers, the proportion of each section being printed in the figure. Okay. In order to have this customization, we have the sizes. We are having the sizes, we are having the sections A, B, C, D. And for example, A has the portion of 30, B has the portion of 20, C 35, D 15. And we also want to have a specific customized colors. For example, we want section A to be red. You see here, section A is red. We want section B to be blue. We want section C to be green, and finally D to be purple. So we can also have colors. So I assign colors as well, and I put the name of my variable my colors. Then we want to create a pie chart. We use the PIE function. We have the sizes, the labels that are assigned to sections. So sections that we are having here. We are having the section's name A, B, C, D. We are assigning to the labels here. Then we are having the colors. For example, to have the customized color, we need to use this keyword, and this keyword is assigned with my colors variable, in which we are having our colors, customized colors, and then we're assigning to the colors here. Okay, so in order to have the colors here, I write down my colors here and I assign it to my colors variable, and this variable is assigned to the colors keyword. So we need to have the, for example, labels keyword, colors keyword, and the labels equals the sections naming, and the colors equals the colors that I choose for each section. Then we are having the auto PCT, and basically here is the part that is helping us to have the numbers being printed on the sections. So auto PCT is helping us to have these numbers, but how it works is like the following. So this part, this highlighted part that I'm having here, I mean percentage 1.1f, is going to display the percentage with one decimal. You see, the percentage with one decimal is being shown here, and the rest, these two percentages, is going to have help us to have this percentage sign symbol in the output. So the auto PCT is what is going to help us to have the portions being printed on the sections here, like 30, 15, 35, and 20. So this first part, percent 1.1 f, is going to display these numbers with one decimal and having these two symbols here. Okay, these two percentage is going to help us to have the percentage being printed on the sections, okay, after the numbers. So this is the part, and then we are having this wedge prop, in which we are going to have the edge color. That is, for example, now we want it to be black, so when I run, you see that it's black. We want the line width to be 1.5. We can choose something thicker. So for example, you see that it's now thicker, but we can choose the line width here. So I choose it to be 1.5 because I think it's nice this way. And this is the color that we discussed. So the edge color can be chosen, the width can be chosen, the text, the portions of each section can be printed on them. We can have customized colors, labels for each section, and finally the sizes that we are having here. Finally, we are having the title, and we use the show function to display our pie chart. So in this video, we learned how we can customize the colors, how we can have the edge color, the edge width, and also we learned that we can print the portions of each section on the figure itself. Thank you for watching.